So I wanted to do a quick video to show you where we are staying while in quarantine upon arriving in the UK before we leave and go wandering about a little bit. Rest assured that even when we wander about, we will be practicing all the precautions of social distancing and wearing face coverings because we want to stay safe and keep everyone in Britain safe as well. We are actually staying in Cheltenham. Now, some of you might have seen my video tour of our flat in Cheltenham. If you haven't seen it and want to check it out, check the iCard or the link in the description below. But we are actually not staying in our flat because there are people living in it. There are tenants who are there long term and we aren't going to be staying there now. But we did find a great Airbnb to stay in. And so here is a quick tour of where we're staying. And make sure you watch for the end where I show you some really cool stuff on the outside. This is our Airbnb that we will be staying in for a fortnight. Our bedroom, there's a little ensuite bathroom attached, which is great. And then in here is our sitting area. And Ian's working away, catching up on email. And nice little dining table that looks out onto the back terrace, and huge TV, and a nice brand new kitchen with my birthday cake. And another bathroom over there. Look at that, such a luxury, 2 bathrooms, shower rooms to be specific, in a 1-bedroom Airbnb. We're very happy to be here. It should be a nice place to be in prison for the next 14 days. We are in a basement flat, so you walk down these stairs from ground level to get to the entrance. And you pass by this really cool thing, which is the old coal store. So this building was built in about 1835, and when it was built, this was where the coal would be stored to fuel the home. And up here, there would be a hole in the sidewalk pavement where coal could be delivered down here to where the coal was kept. I'm not going to show you inside that because there's things being stored in it right now. But this is another really cool thing. This was the meat store, or I don't know, maybe root vegetables, other type of kind of cold cellar storage would be stored in here. I would say probably because the basement is where the kitchen would be in a house back then. So it was easy access to the cold storage for food as well as the coal. When the owner bought this flat, it was in really rough shape. She and her family and work crew worked for a year renovating it before turning it into flats. She shared some photos of what it looked like before, so I thought you might be interested to see some of those. This is the wall in the living area that has the giant 55-inch TV on it. Here's what it looked like before, when they were doing the back-breaking work of excavating the floor to get ready to put down the new stone floor that's currently here. And here is what the master bedroom used to look like before the ensuite bathroom was built on. And here's what our lovely back patio used to look like. The whole place was a pretty dark basement, but by taking out the back wall and putting in a large window wall and putting in the light stone floors everywhere, it really brightened the place up. There's a lot of natural light and it doesn't feel dark or cramped at all. Please join us for our live stream Q&A from quarantine happening Saturday, September 5th, 2020.